Hey, let me show you the best features and functions of the Sony ULT Wear headphones. And first of all, we are going to start from the Sony headphones application where we can find first functions. And at the first we can find actually the ambient sound control, and in this headphones we can find the noise cancellation and the ambient sound. The ambient sound is actually the transparency mode. And when you choose, for example, the noise cancelling, the ambient sound, you can adjust the ambient sound volume level. And also you can enable the voice pass through, so you will be able to hear voices more clearly. Next, we can also find the sound equalizer, and when you open it you can find some presets like, for example, speech, bass boost, or for example the treble boost. But also you can adjust the equalizer manually by selecting manual or custom first and second. And as you can see from this, we can just move these dots and set it up to our own preferences, and below we can control bass. So we've got this Alt button that appears just right here, and by clicking this button we can turn the Alt 1 or Alt 2, it actually increasing the bass of these headphones. Next, we can also find the connection quality, the Bluetooth connection quality, so we can enable the sound quality by turning on the LDAC codec in the settings. So we can do this by going into the settings, clicking here, and you will be able to find the LDAC audio codec, but it's now not available because I just enabled the two devices connection. So as you can see now, when I turn it off, I can use the LDAC audio codec. So this is it actually from this sound settings. When you go to the system, we can find this option to connect two devices at the same times to these headphones. So you can quickly switch between these devices by going into the status, selecting connecting devices, and now we can just quickly switch between the previously connected devices. Now, let's go back into the system settings when we can also find the voice assistant. So we can use the Google Assistant or, for example, the Amazon Alexa. From this we can also find the touch sensor panel. It's actually on the right headphone. You can turn it on and turn it off, and when you turn it on you can actually adjust some media playback. For example, you can play and pause your media, you can adjust volume level, you can turn next or previous song, and also you can answer phone calls or finish the phone calls. And when you put your hand like this on this touch sensor, you will quickly enable the ambient sound. You will be able to hear surrounding around you. From this we get also another option to capture our own voice during the phone call, so it will be a little bit easier to speak with someone else. And from this we can also find the software update. So thanks to this we will be able to receive the latest software. It will actually improve the stability of our headphones. Sometimes Sony will give some new functions into our headphones, so it's really great that we can actually update software of the headphones. And now I would like to show you other functions. So when you take a look on the headphones, at the bottom you can actually connect the headphone jack cable. So it means that you can connect this headphones with the wired method to your smartphone or, for example, to your PC. So that's really useful, right? Also, you can adjust the size of the headphones by moving this up and down, and you can do this really easily. The headphones are made out of the plastic, these parts, and this one is actually made out of the leather, right here and right here. And if you wonder about how to clean them, you can just use this wipe, the microfiber wipe, and you can clean them with some dust and other stuff. But if you got some greasy marks or something like this, you can put a little bit of the water right here and try to make this wet cleaning, and after that try to remove these wet marks after the wet cleaning and use the dry wipe. And also we can connect these headphones to iOS devices. So for sure you can do this with the iPhones or iPads. And that's basically it. This is the best features of these headphones. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.